right, so take up and bring it up to the stop sign.
That stop sign to the left,
Yes.
right?
We'll take care of that first. So as you're gonna hit the foot, you're gonna feel the regenerator. You feel the regenerator braking.
Yep.
All right. So go right up to the stop sign. Good. All right. Good. Stop. You're good over here. So you're gonna make a left and then go right. All right, so auto, I told you with auto is for the foot brake. So when we go to low and high turns you into a drive pedal and the different aggressiveness of the drive pedal. So if you're fully unloaded, you probably use low. If you're high, you would probably, or if you're loaded, you probably use high. The more weight in the truck, the less aggressive it is. I'll show you down the track. That's basically when you drive up to the next stop, you put it on high or low, it will stop you without even touching the foot.
Oh, really? Okay.
And then you'll see, come on to the left. Nobody will be on your left.
Okay.
You can stay over here. Okay, there you go. You'll notice it's very quiet and smooth.
Yeah.
For a garbage truck.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, smooth for a garbage truck. So we're going to stay left. So as I explained, that is sort of like driving to your garbage stop. So you don't want your pedal going, you don't want to be going black and back.
Yeah, yeah.
So when we get up to the cones, we'll stop there and then I'll have you put it in low or high.
All right.
We also notice it has some pep. It will.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It will take off.
I was a little bit apprehensive to really lay into it.
It will go.
Yeah.
And there's two motors, so you'll feel that second motor through you. Oh, stop. I was ready to slam on the line. All right, so go right in the middle of the cones.
Middle here?
Left here.
Yeah,
Right in the middle. We're gonna drive through this thing.
Okay.
So we can stop here while he gets through it. So watch him. He's stop right here.
Okay.
We'll let him go. All right. So now let's throw the thing in a little high. We'll go
high.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you'll feel how aggressive it is, and the more weight and the more weight and the more weight you have in the back, the less aggressive it is. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
So this thing's stopping you, and the more weight's there, it's going to make cruise it. But the more it cruises, the more power you get.
You're
back.
generating, yeah.
And we're generating the power you come back.
That's cool.
So all right, so let's start going here. But keep in mind, when you take that foot off the pedal, you're gonna feel it. Swing that way. So you have a straightaway. That's a good place to start to feel it.
Okay. Yeah, I see.
So if you're coming up to a garbage stop and you let it go, it'll stop you.
Okay, and that's generating power
That's
right
generating
there.
power. So electric motors, you power them one way to get, but if you power them one way, you're gonna put your front in the front.
In the front end,
Yep,
in the
front
here.
right in there.
Okay.
Yep. So all an electric motor is, you can power to it, but if you spin it the other way, it generates power.
Okay. Just stop.
So back up. So put in reverse. You got reverse. All right.
Yep.
Back up. You're good. Then you're gonna bring it through those other two cones. So go right. Yeah. You're gonna go, we're gonna go that way.
Okay.
So.
Where's the other cones?
Good. Stop. Right there.
And then
Drive. So we're gonna go through those two cones. Now, if you want to go on low or high, it's up to you. You can feel low if you want.
Yeah, let me feel low.
Go ahead. Right there.
Did I make it?
Yeah, you got it. If not, don't pick up the phone. Alright, so let's pretend, I would say you're going to want to spin low, leave it go about here.
Nice.
So when you're fully loaded, that's what high will feel like.
Oh, really? Okay.
And
That's something else. And let her go right about now.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, about there. Then you can put your foot on the brake to finish it off.
All right. Very cool.